Hello. So how you doing? So these are wonderful morning, and so we are trading. So yesterday we are having FMC event, and it was really crazy. Yeah, so the FMC event was really crazy yesterday, and man, so today it's like we've trained to that new day opening up. So during 2 a.m. So we just had a bunch of it, then traded into that new day opening up, and you can see snow been melting a lot. So we've traded again below the 2 day open. So this 2 day open, we're having some relatively equal lows below this level, and I can see we've tagged that. Yeah, relatively equal lows. So we've tagged that level, and just set it. Okay. And now we are having this fair value gap here in form of a CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So I'm watching how price is reacting to this, and because we are trading above it, I want to believe so. I mean, it wants to continue higher. So there's Nasdaq. So I'm getting in with contracts, and I want to believe if price trades back into this level, then what happens that this level is going to hold it and maybe push it higher. So my stop is now just below this. So this candle slow, if it trades into that level, then I'm out. I'm taken out. So I really love to see us hit this high right here. I mean, just that. So whenever you're trading, always understand that anything can happen. Anything can happen, and whatever you're doing right now, it's not guaranteed that you win. So you guys have always seen me how I normally operate. So it's normally not a guarantee that you have to win each and every single day. Yeah, so I love this 0.5 level. So if you can hit that, then I'll be done. So yesterday we had FMC event, and guys, let me tell you, it was really crazy. Okay, it was really crazy. It was nuts. I mean, come on. In as much as everything was working out perfectly, but I'd love to say that it was really crazy. So I'm going to show you after this trade. So right now I want to see us break above this level. Break above this level. So if we fail to break above this level, then Uh, that simply tells you that this high here, we're not going to take it out, and that's still fine. So let me see 5 minutes. Oh boy. Oh boy. So this was like, it was really just accumulating here, and then we had this expansion. So this move, I'm treating it as a manipulation move. So this one, I'm treating this as an expansion, this as a manipulation move, taking out any sell side liquidity resting below this level, and then now I want to see us break above this high. So once we break above this high, then I want to see this level tagged. Okay, but first let's see if we can break above this level here. Yeah, so IVG break above. So everyone chasing this going lower, but then it's always advisable that you understand the context of the marketplace. So you guys always know that I always take partials, and right now I'm going to I'm going to sell 3. Yeah, right above this high. So I'll simply just say three contracts came off. Yeah. Mm. So right now, because 3 contracts already came off there, I'm now scaling my stop loss. So risk is reduced. So I've not completely eradicated the risk yet, but then I've simply reduced the risk. So I can see it's giving me a FEB, I mean a CB, a BC here, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So this level here. So my question is this level going to hold it? So let me check the 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, we just swept off that high. And also remember, around this level, we're having that annual day opening up. So most of the time, you have to be wary of that. But for now, so because we've swept that high, I'm watching this level. So if we breach this fair value gap and also take out this level, then yeah, I'm just break even right now, because if we can break below this level, uh let me see, I want to see this, how do I say, I want to see this gap left open. Okay, so this is going to be a breakaway gap. I want to see it left open. So because it has given me another gap here, so use this gap to push price higher. Yeah. So use this gap to push price higher, but not trade back into that lower fair value gap, lower BC. So just something like that, and then run to this level here. So again, uh, just show you, once you hit this high again, I'm going to take something off. I'm going to take a partial. One contract comes off above this high. So let me see. Okay, it was this level here. And not really. I'm just going to have to wait for and book the all of the two. That is if it doesn't come and take me and stop me out, which I'm fine with. Okay, I'm fine with it stopping me. I'm fine with it stopping me. So what happens that I want to treat this as a breakaway gap. Mm. Ten, 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 ten. So if it takes me out, then what's going to happen is that I'm simply going to now go through FOMC's price action. Okay, so what we had yesterday. We simply just swipe that high, but then just wait. So the 5 minutes, what happened is that we got an up close, a full body close. So if you can see the full body close right after taking out this level. So you can see we're having this BC here on the 5 minutes also. So I'm also aware of that, and I believe price might trade back into this BC. So if at all it extends lower, then I'm probably going to be tagged. My stop probably going to be hit. So I'm aware of that. But then I already took bulk of the position, and right now trade is risk free. There we go. So it's like it's coming to take me out. So we've trained to that 5 minutes basic, and it's really extending now. And there we go. So taking me out, and right now, so let me show you the executions. Okay, the executions. There we go. Went long there, bulk of it, and then taken up there. So now what happens? We trail back into this gap here. So remember, we're still inside the, how do you call it? Inside the London session kill zone. So my question is, are we going to fail the all of this? Because if we fought to trade and fail the all of it, then it has already accomplished its objective up here inside that new day opening up also, because that's a price level that you need to be watching. So for now, just let it trade back and see if there's IFVG going to hold, and also there's BC here. Yeah, so I love that IFVG that has traded back into. So just to let you know, if we can afford to trade below it, then it's game over. That's why I scale my stop to this level. So I wanted to see, because also I can see this pattern high low, higher higher, and then we're breaking below it right there. So we're trying to this IFVG now. So it's like it's holding price. So you just wait. Also that 5 minutes, the 5 minutes basic. So I'm also watching this next 5 minutes candle. So is it also going to close on the upper quadrant of this basic here? Or are we going to, is it going to close below the midpoint? Okay, so it's like that level is holding, and again I'm going to now add something. So I'm going long again, and So that's simply just me doing a projection of this from this range to this low. So if I project it 0.15, I'm targeting that. So now because we've traded above this level, so I want to see it hold price, push price higher. Yeah. So my stop is slightly around this level. But then most of the time, it's normally important to let your position breathe. So I'd let it breathe and maybe allow it to trade back into this one, this lower CB here. But then this level still promising to hold. So let's see if we can break above it. So once we break above this level, then we'd love to see it tap this high. But then this level might still hold it. So we are aware of that. Mm. Once we break above it, the next candle, once we trade and close above it, the next candle we're going to be using this level to support it and go higher. But now because we are still playing around. It's all until we break above it. That's when any pullback into any return into this level, then we're going to anticipate for this level to be holding it and then pushing it higher. But for now, can't really tell. So it's holding, holding, holding. So that's not good. That's not so good. So now, whatever it's doing, let me see. Yes. Hmm. Not good. Not good. So this level is holding, and that's not a good idea. Yeah, so it's like it's coming to take me out. Oh, papa. Yeah, so taken out. So what happened there is, let me show the execution. So went in, taken out. So that's one loss. So now the fact that we are trading below this level, it seems like this level is really strong. So what happens that we have this high low, and then that there's IVG held price. So right now I don't anticipate for this one to hold it now, because where we are coming from, we've taken out that buy side liquidity and we were having that pattern. So right now, if we break below this low, then there's a higher chance we taking it to the downside first. So we're having this fair value gap. So these are IVG held price, and we're having this fair value gap. So now I'm looking at this fair lookup in form of a CD, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So is it going to hold price? Or was this price trading lower take out any lows that were resting below this? Okay, now I'm meant to believe. So now I don't want to see it trade any lower. Any lower than that level. So right now, all I'm saying is this low, taking out that low, and try above it this fair value gap after taking out this low. So this level, I don't want to see it hold now. So if this level is going to hold, then that's really bad for us. Wow. Crazy, crazy, crazy.